Now let us see how to find the trigonometric functions of multiples and submultiples angle. So here are certain formulas which we should know. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta, which is also equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. It is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, or it is also equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta, or 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. Sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Cos 3 theta is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Tan 3 theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Now certain formulas for submultiple angle. Sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, that is 2 tan theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Cos theta is cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2, that is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1, which is also equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 2 upon 1 plus tan square theta by 2. Tan theta is 2 tan theta by 2 upon 1 minus tan square theta by 2. 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2, and 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Now let us take one example. Sin theta is 3 upon 5, where pi by 2 is less than theta is less than pi. So it is very clear that your theta is lying in the second quadrant, and we have to find cos 2 theta. We know that cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. We substitute the value of sin theta. So taking square root, we get cos theta is plus or minus 4 upon 5. But it is very clearly mentioned that your theta lies in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant cos is negative. So we get cos theta is minus 4 upon 5. Now cos 2 theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. We substitute the value of cos theta and sin theta, and we simplify them. So on simplifying, we get the value of cos 2 theta as 7 upon 25. Let us take one more example. A is 45 degree. We have to verify that sin 3a is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So we take LHS. LHS is sin 3a. Sin 3, we substitute the value of a as 45 degree. So this becomes sin 135 degree, that is sin 90 plus 45 degree. So sin 90 plus 45 degree, 135 we have written. So that is cos 45 degree, because sin pi by 2 plus theta is cos theta. Second quadrant sign is positive, so it is 1 upon root 2. We take our RHS, it is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. So that is 3 sin 45 degree, because our a is 45 degree, minus 4 sin 45 cube. So sin 45 is 1 by root 2. We are substituting the value, and sin 45 is 1 upon root 2 whole cube. So root 2 into root 2 is 2. So it is 2 root 2. So on simplifying, we get our RHS also as 1 upon root 2, and hence LHS is equal to R. We have to find tan 2a if tan a is 1 by 2. The formula for tan 2a is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. So 2, the value of tan a is 1 upon 2, 1 minus 1 upon 2 square. So on simplifying, we get the answer as 4 upon 3. We have to prove that 1 plus sec 2 theta upon tan 2 theta is cot theta. We take LHS. It is 1 plus sec 2 theta upon tan 2 theta, but sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. So sec 2 theta is 1 upon cos 2 theta. Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. So tan 2 theta is sin 2 theta upon cos 2 theta. We take LCM, so we get cos 2 theta plus 1 upon sin 2 theta. But 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. 2 gets cancelled. Cos theta gets cancelled. So cos theta upon sin theta is cot theta, which is our RHS.